Good morning, guys. It's about 10 a.m. Today is Friday, December 3rd. Gonna go for a walk in Laureles, and I'm also going to get some breakfast, and I'm gonna meet a friend, so come along. So this is La 70, heading north towards the stadium. So eventually you're gonna hit the stadium, metro station. A lot of food and vendors along the way. This is gonna get pretty crazy tonight. So La 70th is pretty good for nightlife, and Friday, Saturday nights, even Thursday nights. Yeah, maybe I'll come out later and show you guys. Pharmacy is called La Rebaja. It's also a mini market. There's also money exchanges on this. There's ATMs, banks, casinos, restaurants, hotels.
Y no se puede volver a hacer. Venga, venga.
So I'm gonna meet my friend. Probably right here in the corner. This is it's like a bakery. Maybe there's some breakfast. But you can see right here it's starting to get crazy because it's the metro station. So if you look across the street, you'll see the metro station. This is Metro Station Stadium, Estadio. And that's it. Let me go eat some breakfast. Pericos, pericos.
Café con leche o chocolate, caballero.
Café con leche y un jugo de naranja también. Gracias. So this costs $6,500. So what is that? Not even $2. About $2. Alright, so I'm on my way back home and gotta stop at a supermarket to get some stuff. So let's go see what it's like. Gracias. So the eggs are 7,300. Like for example, beans are 8,400. A bag of rice is 9,300. A bag of pasta spaghetti is 2,000, 3,000. I need to get I think I wrote it down. Let me see what I need. So there was a song being played in the background, but I'm gonna go like this: 69 cents for Gatorade, $1.30 for Red Bulls. So everything's pretty, a little bit cheaper, but pretty on the money when it comes to like what it costs, you know, relative to what people make here. And I needed toilet paper, so I'm gonna check out the toilet paper. So this 4-pack up top, that's the, I didn't need too much, but it's $1.83 for the 4-pack. Everything else was like a 6-pack or 8-pack. And as far as the beers, the national beer, like a 6-pack of the national beer, Águila, would be $2.25, and then if you want like an imported Heineken or Corona, that would be a little more. That'd be like $3.50. And then I always get these bottles of water. I think it's a liter. So a liter costs, per bottle, it's 1,000, which is 25 cents US. And that's pretty much it. Let's go pay.
Caballero, ¿qué más? ¿Cómo está?
¿Cómo está? Sí,
¿Puntos tiene?
no.
Bolsa.
Sí, una bolsa, por favor.
$35,800.
Gracias.
14,200. ¿Tiene móvil éxito?
No,
Mira la factura.
gracias. Gracias. So this is the bag we got. I'll show you guys right now and how much I spent. Okay. Okay, so we got 2 waters, 2 Ferrero chocolates, Gillette razors, and a 4-pack of toilet paper. And that was $35,840. So I don't know, was that a good deal? Was it not a good deal? Was it cheaper here than the US? Let me know in the comments. So that's it. I am going to work for a little bit. Got my little work set up over here. I'm gonna do some work, have a little drink, maybe go out later. Let me know if you guys like the shorter episodes, or if you like the longer episodes, just kind of like freestyling it. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys next episode.